Hello everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I have a design team project to show you. This is using the new paper collection called Bewitching Hour from Country Craft Creations. It's so new it doesn't even say it on the title here. This was just printed quick to get out to the designer so we could play with it before it was completed printing. So obviously you can see all of the papers that were in the pack. I have done a video showing you all of the papers in detail, so don't forget to take a look at this. And let me show you what I made. So this is a 5x7 mini album. I don't know if you can see, but the ghost and the pumpkin. Let me get the focus on. The ghost and the pumpkin are popped up. There, I think you can see it now. But anyhow, look at that cover. Isn't that fun? So this was one of the papers from the sheet, but then I added the pumpkin and the ghost because I thought they were so adorable to that front. So let me take you inside. And by the way, yes, there will be a tutorial. It is going to be the same tutorial as Graphic 45 Midnight Ride mini album. So I've done 2 mini albums with the same tutorial. I just used different paper. So let me take you inside. And by the way, it's 5x7 with a 2.5-inch spine. Okay. Inside the front cover, I just simply have just a tuck spot. This was one of the cut-aparts from the collection, and a 3x4 journaling card there. But you can take that out and that would be a fabulous place for a 4x6 photo. Now this was part of the paper and I just loved the motif, so I sort of kept it the same. This is a cut-apart. Here's the back of it. And then this opens up like that. So there are 2 pages to put your photos on. And this is a little tuck spot there. And this is a little tuck spot as well. There it is. So if you had a photo, you could just put it right underneath there. So I will put this back in. Yes, there are magnets. You probably could hear it. So there's magnets holding that. I did some magnets and some different closures just to show you. This does have room for 4 hidden photo mats, which I did not put into this mini album. There just is so much room for photos that I didn't think we needed it, but you have the option of doing that when you make the tutorial. And I do show you when you make the mini album. I do show you in the tutorial how I make the tabs using my tab punch board and the Weir Memory Keeper's tab punch. So if you have that, you might be interested in seeing that in the tutorial. So I'll take you to the next page. So this is one of the cut-aparts. I did have some gray paper from my stash and I just outlined it with that gray paper. This will open up like that, so room for a photo. And then here and here, it says spine tingling time, and that'll open down. And there is a little pocket, and there was this whole page of this border strip, and I just thought it was fabulous. So that'll go into the pocket. Did I have anything else to put in that pocket? I wanted to put something a different color in here. Maybe something like that. I don't know. I'll play around with it. And now on the opposite page, I just love this spider with the spider webs. I don't know why. It's pretty simple. And some people don't even like spiders. They wouldn't play with it. But I guess just it's a surprising color for Halloween. So anyhow, this will open like this. And I did use some of this dark teal paper from my stash. I just wanted to break up the patterns on this. There's a ribbon, or not a ribbon, a library style closure, and this will open up. Actually, it opens like that. So there's room for 6 3x4 photos on here, and these are just tuck spots, so you could put something in there. And same on this side. And then that'll open like that. And then this comes down like that. And actually, this little booklet comes out entirely, so you could put photos, whether you have landscape or portrait, you can put photos there. This was from that border strip, and it had some of that teal blue in here, so I used that on that page. And then this simply goes into here. This will close. These will close. Go ahead and wrap that around. And then that goes like that. So there is that. And again, another hidden photo mat space if you want to use it. All right, so this was, again, I love the graphics. Love these pumpkins. Love the purplish blue. It's not a cornflower. I don't know what color that is, but it's pretty. I like it. So this will open up like that. It's held down with a magnet. And then this opens like this. You get to see the ghosts here. Here's a little tuck spot. And then this further opens up like that, and you see more of the pumpkins, but the pumpkins in this case are open. So you can add a photo to back here. Isn't that fun? So I fussy cut the pumpkins, adhered them on the bottom and the sides, and just cut the paper to fit the top. So there is that great. I need to get some photos, some Halloween pictures, and put it in to show you what it looks like. So this one has one of the pumpkins as a tuck spot. This is one of the cut aparts. And here's more of the dancing pumpkins. And it opens up, and again, not pumpkins, ghosts. Did I say pumpkins when I meant ghost? And then here again, that is a tuck spot for whatever you want. And that'll go like that. Oh, and this is also, I guess I need to put photo mat. Both have side loading pockets. I need to do something with that, so I will do that. I forgot about it. Good thing I'm showing you this. So on this set of pages, there is an element from the cut apart sheet, and so is this. And this page will open like that. And it'll also open like that. So lots of room for the photos, and I love the yellow and purple. I mean, yellow and purple look beautiful together, but, and then isn't that fun? So there is that page. And now this page has one of the cut aparts. And then I used some, anyhow, it's yellow cardstock available from Country Craft Creations. I forget what color it is. There is a tuck spot with a couple of the cut aparts. So those of you who are familiar with Country Craft Creations probably already have seen, oh come on, focus, have seen this, but who is that supposed to be? Some of you know of whom I'm speaking. It's the owner of Country Craft Creations and her partner in crime. So there is a great spot, and there's more. So this opens up. There is this tuck spot here and room here for lots of photos. So here is a journaling card, and again, you could put that journaling card there if you want. I was playing around with some distress ink and decided to put that in here just because the yellow goes real nice and sort of is reminiscent of the colors of the stars. And then that was the back of the cut apart sheet, or the back of the tag sheet. I forget which one. But anyhow, so there is that. lots of room on just this page for photos. And if you wanted more, you could use the hidden photo mat, which I don't have. So on this page, I just cut apart the pumpkin. I fussy cut the pumpkin and adheres it on the side and the bottom. So that gives you room for tucking something in. I'm turning off the autofocus. I know that's annoying. And then this will open this way. So again, another tuck spot. And this was just one of the cut aparts that I thought was adorable, so I put in there. But eat, drink, and be scary, of course. And there's a magnet closure on here, but I did use a swivel closure here. And I do show how to put that on. And then this will open further here. So another tuck spot with that pumpkin. Love this paper. You know what? It's perfect for this because it's muted, but it's got a pattern. And if you put photos on it, it's fabulous. So I just added those from the cut apart sheet. But a photo, if you were to put a photo here, you would still have this on the corner, but that's fabulous because it sort of becomes part of the picture. So that'll go there, and then this closes. Hard to find those. I got that at a garage sale. And then a library style closure in the back, and this is an accordion pocket, so you can put a lot of photos. I think I counted 15 when I tried to stuff it one day. So that'll open like that. And then inside here is another cut apart. So room for journaling or to put photos on. And then this is just a little booklet. It's, I think, 4 1/4 by 6 1/4, something like that. But room to put photos, because when you have a landscape style book, it's nice to have room to put those portrait photos in. So I try to make sure that there is ample room for that. Now, if you don't have them in the book, you can just stick them in the pocket. But sometimes you'll have taken more landscape than portraits, or sometimes the other way around. So there is that. Here's the back. That's one of the papers. I just inked it just to make it a little more muted. And these papers from Country Craft Creations take ink very well. I inked around the edges with some black soot distress ink. Probably, well, I think I did all the pages. I know I did that. So anyhow, so again, there will be a tutorial coming up. It will be very soon, if it's not up already. Go ahead and go to my YouTube and double check it, because I don't know if it's done, so I can put the link in. I'll try to remember to do that. But in the meantime, don't forget to like this video, give it the thumbs up, put in a comment on if you'll use this paper for that tutorial or if you're going to use a different paper, and hit the bell for notifications so you do find out when that tutorial is complete. That is what I have for you today. I appreciate you sticking along. Have a fabulous day.